Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Today's dish is very popular dish. This is Gobi Manchurian dry, a classic Indo-Chinese recipe that's widely loved in restaurants and tastes absolutely delicious. This recipe is easy to make, but a few small tips can change the results completely, and those little changes are what make it perfectly crisp and restaurant style. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To make cauliflower florets for Gobi Manchurian, I have taken one large cauliflower. First cut off the thick stem, then divide it into two halves. Now after this you have to make small florets. You can see how I am cutting them into small bite-sized florets. So similarly cut the entire cauliflower and you will get florets like this. Once you have cut the entire cauliflower, transfer all the florets into a large bowl with water. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt to the water. Basically what I am doing here is cleaning the cauliflower. It can have dirt or even small worms inside. So it's important to wash it properly. And adding salt to the water helps clean it more effectively. Once you have rinsed the cauliflower in salted water, let it soak for few minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, when all the dirt is removed, discard the water. Then rinse the cauliflower again with fresh clean water. Now the cauliflower is ready to use. In a bowl, add half cup all-purpose flour, half cup corn flour, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Before adding water, mix everything well. Now gradually add water and mix everything together. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture and prepare a semi-thin batter. This means it should not be too watery or too thick. It should have just enough consistency to coat the cauliflower. As you can see, this is the consistency we are looking for. Now add the cauliflower and mix well so it's evenly coated. As you coat it, each piece gets a light thin coating of batter. This is the kind of consistency we want. Next, take a wide kadai. Pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, gently drop the cauliflower florets in one by one and fry them on medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes until it turns light golden brown on the outside. Once done, remove it from the oil and strain off the excess oil. Repeat the same process for the remaining cauliflower and then let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes. Now I am going to refry the cauliflower in hot oil on high flame. Fry it for about 1 to 2 minutes until it becomes extra crispy. Once it's nice and crispy, remove it from the oil and drain off the excess oil. To make the Manchurian sauce, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1 small finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 2 finely chopped green chilies and saute ginger and garlic for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. After that, add of finely chopped capsicum, 2 tablespoons of spring onion whites, 2 teaspoons of dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, a pinch of black pepper, and salt to taste. Stir it lightly. Be careful while adding salt as the sauces already have salt. Now add about 200 to 300 ml of water to make the sauce. Now let the sauce come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add the cornflour slurry and mix well. You can see the sauce thickens nicely. At this stage, reduce the flame to low and add the fried cauliflower. Mix all together. Now add freshly chopped coriander leaves and chopped spring onion greens. And I'm going to add a pinch of garam masala powder. This is optional. Now give everything a good mix. The garam masala gives a really nice flavor, so do try adding it once. Once everything is mixed, turn off the stove and don't cook it for too long, otherwise the cauliflower will turn soft. And that's it. Our restaurant style Gobi Manchurian dry is ready to be served nice and hot. And there you have it, crispy cauliflower florets coated in rich, glossy, flavor packed sauce that truly elevates this dish. You can enjoy it with some delicious fried rice or noodles on the side. Do try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this recipe, please share it with your family and friends. For more exciting and delicious recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. And also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more tasty updates.